I use oil, the same I use for my electric hair trimmer. I put a little bit on my finger and apply it around the glass. Once you put the glass on the case, make sure it is aligned properly with the gasket, use a magnifying lens if available, then press hard on the glass from the sides and evenly. Be patient and keep pushing it from the sides, making sure that the pressure is applied evenly, otherwise the glass might come off before it can go in all the way. This is the best way to do it without tools, and it works great. The oil will dry out and the glass will be secured. In this video, I am using a 1.5 mm thick glass. Thicker glasses like 3 mm or more, you might need a special tool to push them in, especially if it is a diver watch. This method will not work on every single watch, because the glass on some watches comes extremely tight and requires to do it with a special watch glass removal tool. I hope this video helped you. Any question, feel free to ask. Thank you for watching.